Hey guys, let's review the Hangar Organizer from East to West. This is a stacker for all your hangers, whether you want to keep this in your closet or your laundry. I think is such a great idea. It does require a minimum setup, which comes with this bar and this base, and all you gotta do is screw in the 4 little screws at the bottom and you're set to go. This is going to help us so much in our laundry room to organize our hangers. You can see how long it is, so it can store up to a lot of hangers. And I'm actually going to show you guys some of the hangers that we have here at home and how easy it is to place them inside this and keep them organized. We absolutely adore this product and you guys should check it out. So I have some hangers here with me, more than a few, and I'm just going to slide them into this little hanger organizer. You guys are going to see how easy it is. So here are my hangers. I'm just placing them around the base and sliding them down. There we go. And just like that, all of our hangers are stored in one place, and whenever we need them, you just pick one up and slide it all the way out. It is great. It will come with the little wrench and the screws so you can do the setup. This is the instruction manual, and there you go. Just like that, you have another way to organize your home.